management student from Batangas State University.
It's our day for here in Indonesia, and we will have our classes again. And then after our classes, we will move to Magitan. Ay, hindi pa. Ano pa? After ng classes na, ay, may activity pa pala. Pero after namin dito is pupunta kami ng Magitan campus, and we will stay there for only one day. And then we will go back again to our dormitory in the main campus. In the yeah. So yun, samahan nyo kami mag-klase. Kung makakapag-video ako sa klase, kasi syempre nakakahiya naman magsalita doon na magsalita. Hi Sig! Video pala. So this is our bunso here. Jaila. Jaila dito. And our ate. Over naman saan. Ate Faith, say hi to my vlog. Hala, snapper si Faith. Hala, tangin rin na mamansin. Ate Faith, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, good morning vlog. Uy, anong gata na makeup ko today?
It's day 4 here. Ay, it's day 4 here. It's our day 4.
Oh, vlog takeover. So, good morning. This is vlog. This is vlog takeover. We just arrived in the Ketintang campus. And we're all, hindi pala, we're all.
5 people.
This is the, yes.
May nag-aaway sa likod. May nag-aaway sa likod.
Bakit may nag-aaway sa likod? Ayan o, agang-aga.
So now we're walking papunta sa Faculty of Economics and Business. This is the Faculty of Economics and Business here in the Ketintang campus.
Yes.
So nandito na kami sa loob ng room. We will have our class for 2 weeks. The subject is Faith, the subject is economics and mathematics. Mathematics, economics is our subject for today. For 2 hours. I don't know si Jeremy Lino, guys.
Ang extension ako mo.
Wala naman kaming dala. Kasi akala namin may dala kayo.
Very good.
Very good, wala tayong tatlo.
Perfect. Kasi mabigat na yung bags namin.
Napara mo.
Hindi para pang may papagod.
Hindi ako makapag-bida-bida dito.
Same.
Bakit?
Math.
Kaya nga ako din, behave din ako. Hindi pa naman nagsisimula ang klase, nagsusulat na.
So the app is actually very, it's much, it's perhaps can be 2, can be 3 times, or perhaps like 6 times. You guys can learn it afterwards. Okay, you guys. So for the formula itself is we are using
Mathematics is our
Mathematics is the best breakfast ever.
We eat numbers for breakfast.
Sorry, class just ended.
so yeah, I feel like before you need your stomach to be fulfilled first. Before having a trip in mathematics.
How eases the pain, so remember to miss me. You feel now, cause it's a mind, shake it, so please hold tight.
Pero ginagawa niyo dalawa naman dyan. Di parang nagkaroon na kayo ng salon.
May salon session kami.
Say hi. Ano nangyayari ngayon?
Party kami.
Party na. After class. Wow, pare ala. Atake, nasa rep sa surap sa ano, Onesa, kabog.
It's my room. As a driver.
Wow.
So good!
Anong lasa?
Ang sarap.
Is it sweet?
Ang sarap.
What?
Sweet?
Hindi masyado.
Is it sweet?
Hindi daw.
There's desiccated coconut inside.
Desiccated. Spell.
No.
Anong lasa? Rate.
Ang sarap. 10 out of 10.
Yeah. So, is it amazing? Pag-isitikman natin yung bigay ng... Bigay ng ano? Sa yung bigay sa amin sa Fisipol. We have like this like empanada. And then this is like lumpia or what. I will taste this.
Okay, this one is so good.
Wow.
Still figuring it out. What is the name? What is we call it? Dadar what? Dadar gulong.
Sarap.
Dadar gulong.
So good. Sarili ka ng iyo.
Ang sarap, guys. So ngayon, saan pupunta? So ngayon, pupunta na kami ngayon sa Magetan Campus and magbabahe kami ng for almost 2 hours. Right? So para siyang Manila to Batangas.
Studies at the State University of Surabaya Campus 5. Hernandez, time and place is yours. Thank you. Give applause for Mr. Marvin.
I am Janasha Mark-Vimansera. You can call me Ash. I am a fourth year BSBA major in financial management student from Batangas State University, Arts of Nasugbu campus. All I can say Indonesia is great. People are welcoming, the food is great, and I want to go back here.
Hello guys, my name is Ingil Malia and we just met today from Indonesia. Hi. Hi from Indonesia. Siap? Okay, siap.
So cute.
Hi vlog! So ayun guys.
Hi guys!
Kakatapos lang ng aming picture taking.
Tenang, Resi.
Aduh, banget ya. Boten. Resi, kebalik ya, Pak. Tahan teman saya.
So guys, ngayon we're here at Nawel Garden. Nasaan tayo?
Nawasa.
Oh, hi! Say hi! Ay, nandito na pala kayo!
Ano yung sauce mo ba? Para mo siyang inventor.
Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. It's our day 5 here at Indonesia. And now we are now at Baguio. It's our day 5 here. And this is Jean. Jean, say hi to my vlog.
Hey vlog, what's up? It's so cold here, guys.
Yeah, it's like, it feels like Baguio.
Yeah, I've never been to Baguio.
Yeah, even though I've never been to Baguio also.
Ito na yung Baguio mo.
Nauna pa yung international kaysa sa local na gala. So now we are going to Sirangan Lake, right?
Ayun ko.
Basta pupunta kami kung saan.
Bawal daw mag-swimming, sabi nila, kasi malakas daw yung waves.
Akala ko parang volcanic galore.
The current
Hi,
is strong.
Faith.
Bakit? Oh, I look pretty there. Bawal? Bawal mag-swim.
Bawal mag-swim.
So, hindi ma-picture nito. Vlog nga, vlog. Papa-picture muna ako. Wag yung pakailan. Anong ito guys? We've arrived at the lake. We've arrived at the lake.
So guys, we are now here at Sirangan Lake. And we are doing speedboating. Na parang nasa ano? Para magpakasunista! Oh my God! Para magtubaw na ang tubaw. Sa ano na to?
Rabbit.
What does it
Yes,
taste like?
rabbit. Dr. Marvin! Wait. Please! Satay!
Oh.
The rabbit satay.
Rabbit?
Yes!
Anong lasa?
Lasang manok.
Pakagat siya.
Ayaw niya? Kalamig ba? Yes, may yellow. Huh? Yes.
Oh yeah. Makanin sa dito na.
Okay. Fresh siya, fresh.
Sarap. Oh yeah. Member na?
Congratulations.
Nilabo.
We are now here at... Anong pangalan nito ba?
Baka sa Pilipinas, kang kalahis.
So, ayun, kumakain kami ng Filipino food. Jaila. Ay, Jaila. Faith.
Isa pa? Hindi na ka tayo subscribe. Isa pang mamali.
Hindi pa. Pero may sili na.
Ililibre niya ako ng post.
Guys, kasi nalilito ako. Ilang araw na din.
Pag namali pa siya ng isa, ililibre niya.
Di ko na lang kayo kakausaping dalawa. Mas madali yun para sa akin.
Hoy na lang, hoy na.
Hoy kayo! How, ano nararamdaman mo? Ay, ka na ng Filipino food niya. Na para bang naiiyak siya.
First day pa lang, nagkikrave na ako sa adobo.
Ako nung ano,
Di sana
half
adobo
day.
nilang pinadala mo sa nanay yun.
Ano ba?
Diba, hindi na pasta.
So ngayon nakain kami ngayon ng Filipino food kasi it's been 5 days since hindi kami nakakakain ng Pinoy food. Though masarap na mga pagkain dito pero syempre iba pa din ang pagkain natin sa Pilipinas.
Kasi nangag.